Good Monday morning, Nutrition 696. I just wanted to spend a little time talking about what's coming up, what's new on Blackboard, and commend all of you for, six of you so far have reached out and just given some examples of your goals and objectives that you're thinking about, and the classmate feedback has been fantastic. I'm staying kind of quiet on this one, and I will be giving you, lots of feedback after you pass in your final product, but your classmates are giving you some great suggestions, and I love the back and forth going on the discussion board, so keep that up. So the goals and objectives are due on the 15th, so you have till Thursday night to get those done, so keep talking through on the discussion board, and then in the format that you can see that just the list of the goals and objectives is perfect for a format for passing these in on Thursday. So just that list is awesome. Your logic model is due on the 27th. I'm going to try to put some more resources in there to help you out this week too, just so people have a little bit more to work with. And then I've posted, a flow of what's going on the rest of the semester, but I still need to fill in a good amount of examples, lectures, those sorts of things in here. But I just wanted everybody to have a clue in on, when different things are due. So, if you wanted to get started on anything early, depending on where you're at with your personal stuff, you are welcome to do that. All right. So feel free as always to ask me any questions. Remember, you have a due date on the 15th, and feel free to keep getting in that discussion board and talking to your classmates. I really look forward to reading all of your goals and objectives over the next week or so, and hope you all have a fantastic mid-February week. Happy Valentine's Day.